this is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark mode on the Facebook app using a mobile device. I will be using an iPhone SE, but this should work very similarly on other devices. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. Okay, I'm on my iPhone here. First thing you need to do is tap on the Facebook app. Select that. Then in the lower right hand corner, you want to tap on your icon. Select that. Then you'll scroll down to where you see Settings and Privacy and tap on that. Then you will scroll down to where you see it says Dark Mode and tap on that. Then just toggle the dark mode on. Now dark mode has been enabled. That's how you enable dark mode on the Facebook app. Thanks for watching.